Welcome to the Squaretalk billing portal. Here in your dashboard, you have access to a summary of your account, top 5 call destinations for the last 7 days, and the What's New feed, as well as all the available products and active products you have for your account. If you wish to activate a product, simply click on it. Set your password for the particular product, in this case Express, and click OK. You can also change phone numbers from here. Clicking it will allow you to manage all the phone numbers on your account. From here, you can order new phone numbers by clicking on the order button on the top right. Select your account. Next, specify the quantity of numbers you wish to order. For example, 2. Choose the destination you require those numbers to be from. Next, choose the type of number it should be, and the area code that you need. If you require a specific area code which is not listed, please specify it here. Lastly, specify if the new phone number should be configured or not. For example, add it to a specific queue or route. You can also request more numbers in the same order by clicking on the Add button and specifying all the necessary details as before. Once done, simply click Submit and you will be notified by email once the order is complete. You can also replace numbers by ticking them and then click on the Select option above. Then select either Replace or Delete depending on what you require. Next, specify the replacement type you need for the selected numbers. Once you've specified everything, click Submit and the order will be placed. You can manage your payments by clicking on Billing on the side and selecting Payment. From here, you have all the payment options as well as different ways to top up your account, including payment by crypto. Simply enter the amount to top up with and click Submit. Confirm the details for your order and click Confirm and Pay. You will then be redirected to the payment page where you can choose with which cryptocurrency you want to pay with. Once done, simply click Continue to complete your payment. From the Manage Payment Methods section, you can add a backup payment if you do not already have one, or manage your primary. Next up, under Invoices, you can view all your invoices as well as download them. From here, you can either save it or print it directly. Lastly, under the Recurring Payment, you can view your next invoice date as well as the billing frequency. Under the Reports section, you have the Call Summary first, which will provide you with a summary of all your calls under your account for a specified time frame. Next, the Call Records will also provide you a report for your calls but include every detail such as source number, destination number, billing time, total cost, from which extension it was, and more. Finally, you have the Balance Report, where you can see a breakdown of all your payments made for your account. You can also see the rates per country from the Rates section. You can also search for a specific country by typing in the field and clicking Search. Under the Settings section, you can change your password and activate two-factor authentication. Under the Notification section, you can specify to which emails you wish to receive your invoices and receipts, as well as additional notifications such as unpaid invoices, low balance, and number replacements. Lastly, if you require API information for additional integration, you can find it under the API menu. Thank you for choosing Squaretalk.